guys, this is August the 14th, 2020, and I just want to show you what I'm going to do with my really large cucumbers. And I'm getting a good many squash, so I'm going to be dehydrating them in my Nesco dehydrator. So here is what I'm going to use for the slicing. It says Swiss made on it right there, and it has 3 attachments. I haven't really got into using these. I have used just this, and this you can take out and turn it over. Here's the side that you don't want to use because it makes it too thin. So this is the side that I'm going to use, and you can see how you just slide it in there and click it, and then you just want to shove down because you want those to be able to hold. You want to make sure that this is a cross, and you can see the air is pointing, and so you want it wider. You want this pusher wider than what your base is. You don't want it turned around like that. See how that's lined up the same, about the same width? You don't want it like that. See the way the arrows are? That's the way that you want to take and shove it through. And then you basically just take and shove down and go like that. And then when you get close to the bottom, you know, when you're close to where the end of the cucumber is, then you have to use your little stomper to push it down. I got them ready to go. There is 4 layers, and I just lightly salted and peppered, because you don't want to put very much salt and pepper because they dehydrate into tiny pieces. So here's the temperature guide on the Nesco, and it's 135 for fruits and vegetables. So cucumbers are actually a fruit/vegetable. So I have 4 layers all ready to go, and I lightly salt and peppered them, like I said. Actually, I didn't get around to checking on them in 7 hours, so this has been 8 hours. And well, that one's sticking a little bit. So I'm just going to be leaving them sit out for a while. Well, they're sticking. So I found like taking a knife kind of helps to loosen them up. So they're crispy, and they're good. They really are. We really enjoy them.